Hi, I'm Ray in the garden today, and we're looking at growing some black-eyed Susan. And this black-eyed Susan is also known as Thunbergia Alata, and it's a compact cliner which produces flowers in a range of warm sunset colours, ideal for patios and as a conservatory plant, and usually grown as an annual. So we're going to try some of these black-eyed Susans, and we've got a trellis just behind us here, and we're going to grow them up the trellis. So let me show you what we're going to do. So I've got some multi-purpose compost, and I've got a bit of perlite added into that, and it adds a bit of content, keeps the moisture in. We mix it all around, and we're going to grow these in these flower pots. I'm just going to fill up 3 of these flower pots. With the compost. And we'll take a look at the seeds. These are sunset shades, so by 2025. So let's have a look. We've got a few seeds, there's not many there, but there's enough. And they're kind of like little rings. And there's a couple of different coloured ones in there. So what I'm going to do is take our pots, make a couple of holes, and we're going to put 4 in each pot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another one sneaked in there. So 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 4 in this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Gives us 2 left. So I'm just going to put 1 in each one spare. And we're just going to cover it over with some more multi-purpose compost. Firm it down. Nice bee coming round. And then all we're going to do is give them more water. Just like that. We get a sign. And we stick it in so we know what they are. So these can be sown February to October. So these need to be kept warm, approximately 20-25 Celsius, and seedlings will appear within 21 to 35 days. Stand outside for a few days late May, avoid the frost. Transplant 25 centimeters apart in flowering position. Keep moist and weed free at all times. Flowers July to October the same year. And to create a small frame, over 20 centimeter pots for plants to climb and grow some indoors. So that's a great opportunity. So that's our black-eyed Susan. I'm looking forward to them growing. All done.